Hello Bachaf and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that I believe is really important in today's world to actually boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. So I will be covering the website, the front page, the Google Business Profile and the backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see here that you have the click to call button, links to the different services that you provide, back pages. You have another, I actually have like that you have click to call like action buttons throughout your website. You have a little bit of a description of the services that you provide and then pictures of those services and some testimonials and reviews as well as links to your social media accounts. So there are a few things that you could do to improve the user experience. You could have the contact us form at the top, so just make it very easy for anyone to reach out to you if they are using a mobile phone. You could, for example, add links here to your back pages. Let's have a look at the content. So anything that you have in here is considered content. So let's have a look at how you have saved those images. So for example, this image, you can target keywords in here. Right now, it's just a random number so that you can actually signal to Google that you're also ranking for that particular keyword. And in terms of the amount of content, right now you have 552 words in your front page. And if I have a look at two of your competitors, these guys, for example, have 637, so affordable tree service, and True Tree, these guys have 3,995 words. So it's an opportunity for you there to actually throw in there more content with more relevant buyer intent keywords. And what I mean by that is that I came here to Google and I type in tree trim in Miami. The first section is the Google Ads, and Google Ads are really good at driving traffic and generating leads. The second section is the Google Maps, and Google Maps are driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you actually need, and see how affordable tree and True Tree are ranking, both of them in this section as well. So to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can grab one of these top 3 positions. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search, and to rank here, you need something that we call backlinks. So first, your website needs to be built correctly so that Google can find it. And then you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And in here, I can see a few things. So for example, the first thing is that it doesn't have a title, your website. And that's important because through here, you are able to actually signal to Google what your website is about. Now, there are 14 external websites that are directing traffic towards yours through 42 backlinks. If I have a look at these guys, Affordable Tree Service, they have 96 external websites directing traffic through 774 backlinks, and True Tree, they have 45 external websites directing traffic through 283 backlinks. So it's important to strengthen this backlink profile by making sure that those backlinks are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, so that Google can start seeing your website as an authority in those particular topics, because this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that users are performing. Now, if I have a look at this tool, it's saying to me that you are being found for 81 organic keywords, and in this view I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the search volume is the number of times that particular keyword is searched for per month. And the position is in which position you are appearing in the Google organic search for that particular keyword. So anything beyond the 10th position means that you're already on the second page of Google. And it means that your website is not capable of driving traffic to it. So, you're actually ranking for quite a few buyer intent keywords, which is really good. So you have a sprinkle repair, Coral Springs, tree service, South Florida, Palm Beach, Broward landscaping, but you're already ranking in probably the third, the fourth position. If I have a look at affordable tree service, they are being found for 1,200 keywords, and they are in the top positions. So for example, tree service Pembroke Pines has a search volume of 100, and they are in the first position, and because of that, they were able to drive 37 visits to their website. Tree Service Miami has a search volume of 250, and because they're in the second position, they drove 32 visits to their website. So basically, what you want is that you want to identify what are those keywords with the highest search volume, to include them in the content of your website so that Google can find you for those, and maximize the number of times that you're in front of potential customers, because then a percentage of those customers are going to end up in your website, another percentage they're going to call you for your services, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve your website, and please don't forget to give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.